kitchen. Hello everyone and welcome to Janaki's kitchen. Today I am going to make pineapple rasam or pineapple soup. So the ingredients are half a cup of finely chopped pineapple, 6 to 8 big chunks of pineapple to make a puree without adding water. I got a tablespoon of cooked dal in which I have added a cup of water. So use your hand or blender to mix dal and water very well. Let the dal settle at the bottom and use the dal water only for rasam. 5 to 6 cherry tomatoes, or you can use 2 medium-sized ripe tomatoes. Asafetida, salt, few coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 slit green chilli, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of sambar powder. I have given the link in the description box for how to make sambar powder, 2 teaspoon of lemon juice or according to your taste. So first add a cup of water in a pan, add tomatoes, keep the flame to medium. Now add sambar powder, 5 to 6 curry leaves, less than a 1/4 teaspoon of asafetida, turmeric powder, salt to your taste. Now add chopped pineapple. Cook it in low heat until the tomatoes and pineapples are nicely cooked. When tomatoes and pineapples are cooked, add dal water to it. Now I'm adding pineapple puree, which I made it from 6 to 8 chunks of pineapple. Then add a cup of water, the salt and mix it well, and then bring it to a boil and then turn off the gas. Then add lemon juice to it. For tempering, heat the pan in medium and add a teaspoon of oil to it. Then add 1 slit green chilli. Add mustard and cumin seeds. Then add remaining curry leaves. Add less than a 1/4 teaspoon of asafetida powder and turn off the gas. And finally add it to the rasam and mix well. And finally garnish it with the coriander leaves. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time with another new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.